Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Xiaomi Airdots 3. We have a brand new earbuds here, and in today's video we will unbox them, try them on and connect them with iOS and Android and see how they will work. Without losing any time, let's go ahead and start the unboxing. So about the Xiaomi Airdots 3, we know that for calling battery time we have 4 hours, case charging time we have 2 hours, each earbuds have 1.5 hours, and earbuds battery lasting time is 150 hours. Each earbud has a capacity from 43 mAh and the case itself is 600 mAh. You can see we have here the charger and the user manual down below. And also here in this pocket at the side, which is a very good design, which I didn't see before, is the earpieces to change the shapes and size of them. And at the top, obviously, we have the case with Airdots 3. The connection distance for these earbuds is 10 meters, pretty good, I would say it's that. You can see how well they are protected and packaged. Here we have the Redmi logo, all white, very good material. It feels solid, it's heavy enough, and immediately we can see the Airdots 3 inside of them, again protected with special cases so they don't get scratched or anything while it's shipped. You can see if you press the button, it will blink twice or 3 times to let you know that they are on and you are ready now to connect them with what device you're using. Here I'm using iOS first. Let's go straight to the Bluetooth. Let's turn that on. We have Redmi Airdots 3. Press it and wait until it says that are connected like this. Now that they are connected, we can go straight to the YouTube and turn up some tunes and listen up to the music or whatever types of videos you watch. Usually I try all of my earbuds with this music, which again I have to say that the sound is very good. It's coming really clear, the bass is very good, on point, they are not too loud and not they have enough sound. You can see that when I pull them out they pause itself immediately, and when I put them back on or wrap my fingers around they turn itself on, which is a very good feature that we don't have usually in our earbuds. OnePlus used the same option. You can see with double tap you can pause or play the video. If you have your earbuds in your ear, double tap to play or pause. And same with the left one, if you take it out it will pause and play. If you put it back on, double tap for the voice control. You can see that you can make phone calls and whatever type of activities you want to do like usual. Let's get back to the song. Double tap again and one tap to pause or play with the left one. So we have different controls in both of the earbuds, left or right. So we don't have any other option with triple tap or 4 taps. These earbuds are very good, the sound is really good as I said before, but they don't have enough option for my opinion. Now we are connecting here with Android. Let's turn the Bluetooth on and let's go straight to the Bluetooth. Pair new device and you can see immediately it appears the Redmi Airdots 3. Again press it and wait for the sign to press pair, which is right now like this. Press pair and this is all that it takes to connect them. Very fast way and easy way to do. Straight to the YouTube we go again, and this is the song that we will try today. Again the sound is coming like before, very good and very clear. We don't have any difference in the sound in both devices, so it works with both of them very good. And again the same options, if you pull it out or double tap to play or pause, it will function here in Android too. Same with the left side, if you pull it out it will pause. Double tap for the voice assistant, or in this case the Google Assistant, and again it works. And also we have dual mic, noise cancelling, and all these kind of features. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If you have the Xiaomi Airdots 3, let me know in comment down below what you think about them and how they work for you. This was all for today's video. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.